Good morning, everybody. About 8 o'clock. We're all packed up. What's up, everybody? Man, it ain't been a bad ride this morning, but dogs have been absolutely insane. I done got chased by 5 dogs, and one about got my foot. Holy shit. And I hear more dogs ahead. I'm in like Williams something or another. It's just a little community. I'm at the community center now. It's at this little pavilion. But that house just up the street, big dog right there. I'm just glad he's not over here. I was hoping there would be plugins here, but there isn't. So I'm using the last little bit of my battery, and I just hope there's a gas station in 14 miles. So hopped off the mountain route to the valley route to get to here. But I ain't going through all them dogs. Well, that one dog again. So we can connect back to the mountain route in about 13, 14 miles. And on that road that I have to take up to get back to the mountain route, there's a store like 0.2 or 3 further up the road. And then there's a campsite like 2 miles after that. So it's going to be a 30+ mile day, but I gotta try to get through this last 14 miles or so as quick as I can. What's up, everybody? Just a couple miles from camp, hopefully. But huge thanks. I forgot to record when I was there because didn't leave there till 3:30. So been trying to push to get to here. Because from here on, pretty sure I'm in National Forest and State Game Land for a good ways. So, and this is where a couple campsites are listed. But huge thanks to that lady at Oak Ridge Station. It was a hell of a climb to get up to there, but I had to because once I got to the turnoff for it, my phone was at 20%. And I still have, as of right now, about 30 miles to Covington, which we'll for sure probably get there tomorrow because I'm not done yet. I'm going to try to get as far as I can today. We've gone about 30, somewhere around 30. I know we've gone at least 30, maybe a little bit more. I forgot to look. But we've been moving pretty damn good today. And I would already been at camp if it weren't for my charger problem and having to go 2 miles off route to a store and then sit there for 2 hours charging it. But yeah, we'll get to camp sometime after a while. Going to just keep pushing. Good morning, everybody. It's about 7:30. We're all packed up. And I had a hell of a time finding somewhere to camp last night. Every established campsite had people with RVs and stuff in it. And about 15 minutes before it got dark, I come around this turn right here and seen a little flat spot down in there. Wasn't all 100% flat, but we made it work. And I didn't wake up at the end of my pad this morning, so it couldn't have been too bad. But yeah, we got some crazy climbs today. Like, I've been watching trucks. We're going way the hell up there. We go up this turn to turn and just go up and up. And it's been like that ever since I've been in this area. But yeah, anyways, we got about 26 or so miles to Covington. We're going to try to get there today. But I hope you all have a great day. And I'll get back to you here in a minute. Just came out from there. Now we're going down that. But yeah, man, that was such an awesome ride on that gravel forest road and through the state game lands. Man, quite a few awesome people, and even met a guy that was from Damascus up here hunting. But yeah, we got this paved road for a little while, and then we got one big climb, and then it'll be all downhill the rest of the way into Covington. What's up, everybody? So getting ready to leave the state park. The guy in there at the camp store was such a nice guy. He let me sit in there where it was warm and told me if I needed a charge or anything, I was more than welcome to. So got my phone up to 68%, and we got 8 miles to Clifton Forge. Was going to go to Covington, but all the hotels are like way up there. And there's a place called the Red Lantern Inn in Clifton Forge that gives a 20% discount to Trans-Virginia bikers, which is the route I'm doing right now. So we're just going to go there and then try to find a battery bank somewhere today. But yeah, we got 8 miles to town. Alright, so here's where you walk in. Big sitting area. Little dry bar over there. TV. This is where you check in. You got rooms upstairs. They got all kinds of just unique stuff here. Look at all these old phones. Laundry is included with your stay. I finally got to do all mine. Have breakfast and everything. You have free use of anything in this kitchen. Like everything is no charge. Like the breakfast stuff, there's milk and all kinds of stuff in the refrigerator. Like there's steaks up there. There's all kinds of stuff. There's another little sitting area. And the cool thing for me, normally when I take a shower, I have to just sit down in the floor of the shower because I can't stand up without my prosthetics on. But check this out. When I seen this, it absolutely made my day. It made taking a shower so much easier. Sink, they have all kinds of stuff here. All kinds of different shampoos, conditioners. There's my bike. But yeah, if you're ever in Clifton Forge, I highly recommend the Red Lantern Inn. This place, as soon as I walked in, I immediately felt like I was at home. This place reminds me so much of my mama's, and she had, because she's no longer here unfortunately, but she had an old 1800s house, and she had so much little knickknacks and stuff like that all throughout it, and it just felt like I was walking back into her home. I really miss her. But yeah, this place is just absolutely amazing. This was my room. I honestly just don't want to leave, but I gotta get going. I have no idea where we're going today. We got about 76 miles to Pembroke, and they're calling for 2 inches of rain tomorrow. And I have no idea where we're going to end up. So hopefully we can find somewhere that's in National Forest or game land to camp in. And then we'll try to find somewhere where I can just wait out the rain tomorrow. So they're calling for 2 inches of rain, and it's only going to be 45 degrees. That's going to be absolutely miserable and possibly dangerous if I don't get somewhere.